our Grizz against us again, we'll just lose again.
Alright, everybody, welcome to Cuisine Royale. It is basically PUBG, that's it.
Nice intro.
Oh,
yeah.
are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. So let's fudge and do this. Parker, do you play first person or third?
I play first person.
You know, I think I might go first person too.
I just fucking snagged that shit, I'm so
Yeah, you
sorry.
snagged
Yeah, you
everything.
did. Yeah, you snagged.
Nothing here. There's a car.
Well, good news is I get bonus luck on these. Who wants
Alright.
an M50 resing? It's
I'm
a
going
machine gun.
I'm going to Bouillon Cube over here.
Okay, nobody?
Party on there.
You took everything.
Giggles.
No, I said who wants an M1 resing?
Oh.
Or Car 98.
No.
I get bonus luck on these things.
I think they're dead.
MP35.
Really?
Yeah, body
Alright,
armor.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
There's a Car 98 and an
I can
MP35
go
over
over there. I've got a car. I just need a scope. I'm bad A with a scope.
Well, you can take the ammo for the car at least.
Alright. Abandoned hat. Some magazines. What is this?
Interacting.
An MP35.
Really fucks. I need to fix that.
The bandit hat's the hat that I started out with, so.
I need to fix where my capture thing is. Actually, I don't even think I need to pin that.
Man, dude,
Alright.
I haven't even picked up a weapon yet.
Alright. So I've got an MP. Did we have any mags for it over here? Yeah,
there
yeah.
should be on
Yeah,
the ground.
yeah, there was. I'm an idiot.
Here's a Beretta machine gun.
Should be over there by y'all then. Shit over here.
No, he's over by
I'm
y'all.
literally at you guys.
Oh, I thought you were
There's
still over there.
nothing here. I still
Guys.
don't have a weapon.
My guys!
I'm coming,
Alright,
dude.
alright,
Damn.
alright.
he's just pinning everything.
Fuck.
You gotta ping that shit enough.
Fucking whistle out the ass.
Alright, thank you. Oh yeah, you gotta stop to aim. Alright.
Yeah, you gotta stop.
Oh,
aim.
Yeah, you could. Alright.
You just have to let go of shift.
Yeah, that's what it is.
You just let go of shift and aim.
So I could still move and aim. Alright, that's what. Alright. Oh, whoa, is it toggle? Oh man.
You can if you hold it, it
Yeah.
won't be toggle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just figured that out too. Cool.
Alright, I'm behind Luna. And
Behind
I've got
is
the least amount of loot out of all of us, I feel.
probably not, dude. I don't have shit. I have this weapon with 40 rounds.
I got 32 rounds.
The Beretta's a hella good weapon, so.
A lot of you out there.
Hey, who needs scope?
Ooh, scope.
I'll take that.
And here's an
Me.
STG for anybody.
Ooh, STG.
Do you want that?
I'll take that too.
Alright, you can
Scopes
have
in
the
the second
STG.
room, guns in the far room.
I'm getting that fucking scope. Let's put that on here.
Yeah. Oh,
How are you getting all? How do you find all the good shit?
Alright.
We got a vehicle here. Not like we'll drive it, but we got a
Yeah,
vehicle.
that's like
There's another M3. Oh, it's just an M3.
if it's an M3, I'll take the ammo.
It's over here.
Alright.
Oh, thank you.
Y'all
I even-
don't want to take this big ass bus?
Ooh, large bag. It's a bus.
Yeah, there's a bus over here.
I'm truly, probably, but I know everybody else would say no.
Oh, dude. It is a bus.
There's a bus.
How do you drive it?
You hit F on
Like
it.
that?
Oh,
the-
get in, boys.
Alright. Like that.
Everybody in?
Okay. I am trying to
I'm
find
still looting.
loot. Finally, I got a pistol. And an oxygen tank.
I would like a
Right now, I think the pistol's the best thing I got.
bag of regen over here.
I would really like that.
Hey, does anybody want an M50 resing? It's a pretty decent machine gun.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, I want to use this.
Fuck the
Oh, I need more coins.
fuck the car. Anybody want a sniper rifle with a scope on it?
Oh,
It's right
oh, I'll
there.
take it. Hell yeah.
This car right here is.
Yeah, I usually run machine gun and then.
This is yeah. This is my scope. I think I'm better with the machine gun, honestly.
I got so much canned food.
You don't need to carry a whole bunch of canned food.
I'll carry as much as I can.
Yeah, I was about to say, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Like
Oh.
I try to hold like 9.
Hey, there's a M1903 Springfield over here.
That's
I think
sniper.
if I try to ping, then it shoots. I don't know what's
STG with magazines over here. Luna magazines.
This TG, I need a mag. Yeah.
Yeah, come over here. Don't get that,
wrong.
Andrew.
I don't see what you're even pointing at.
It's on the
Oh,
top up here.
Oh,
All I need is a scope right now. Here's a Tommy gun mag.
Right there. I need it. Where it was an MP what?
I need more Beretta M38.
35.
I've got an MP35, so I need to go get that.
Ooh, 4x scope. Hell yeah.
Andrew, this is,
Yep,
I need these magazines.
I'm not.
Oh, there's a 6x. That's a lot better than a 4x.
Take some canned food.
There's a Colt 1911 over here.
Yeah, I'm good. I got a TT, I think, or something. I've got something.
Yeah, there's a 4x scope right there. Actually, I need to. Cool.
I'm
set
checking.
on
Alrighty,
There's
I'm
some
pretty good
TTM
right now.
over here.
Same.
some armor.
Yeah, armor would be nice. I want
Yeah,
to check. I want to check our up tap.
I'm gonna go and start moving forward. Let's head to. Yeah, fuck, that's a big.
Oh.
Whoa,
I'm lighting up a jeep. They're really close. I'm on top of the gunner. Killed them. Shooting at their
Oh, there's
friendlies.
a bullet drop.
Yeah, not much, but yes, there's bolt drop.
Get 'em.
Damn!
Yes, nice. I
Good
saw
shit,
that.
dude.
Good shit. I'm
It-
sorry, I had to. It was perfect.
At that
Shit,
distance,
let's
you
go
lean.
clean up.
Yeah, well, there's I saw one other guy at least. So there's
So,
1 to 2
You
other guys
sniped
left.
that one. Oh,
Yeah.
we're getting
We got
sniped
a
at.
sniper.
We're getting sniped
Oh,
at.
yeah, I'm got shot.
Scatter.
Fucking Christ, I am so low.
I don't
So
even
what's the
think
bullet
it-
drop
can you
like?
pin it? It's not.
Uh,
It's like non-existent.
Okay.
it's.
It's very barely.
Fuck! Damn it. Oh well. That
Where
sucks so
is
much.
he?
I pinged it, motherfucker!
I can't
He's
see.
on top of
him.
that building. He's just head peeking. He's head glitching. Ooh, he's trying to. Ooh, shit. Damn it, he got me, dude.
He just jumped off the roof.
Yeah, no.
I wish there was revives. Fuck. Oh, to your right, Dirk Diggles.
I can't even get a daggum hit marker. Grenade out! Grenade out! Grenade out! Hope there's no friendly fire.
Oh, you're
Oh,
right on.
fuck.
He's right on top of it.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Dead ahead of you.
I got him.
Damn
well,
it!
Well, we traded 3 for 3. Fuck it.
I'm the only one alive.
I'll be right back.
What in the hell? I'm
Oh,
taking
goodness.
I'm taking
You'll
your
be hella
STG.
looted. Yeah, you'll be hella looted.
Last 2 challenges done. 1. Yeah, just 1.
God, we got fucking bodied.
Oh my god, I'm the only one alive. I want to see that Jeep I lit up. I don't really care if I die at this point. I lit that Jeep up, boy. We took all 3 of them out. So a squad took out us.
Maybe. Might be another.
Oh, I'm sure there
Oh,
is.
yeah, that one on that roof. We didn't get
I'm
hit.
just gonna go straight for people.
Good.
So I'm not trying to waste no time. Where the shots coming from?
The vehicles.
Somewhere. There's a vehicle somewhere. Nothing that I want. Ooh, where are these boys at?
They're good ways out.
Are they?
Yeah.
Dude, the guy that we played with last match, he just got a kill.
Nah.
Gilgamesh.
Wow. I didn't know you could do that. That's one thing I like about this game. Like, if you play it consecutively, you'll find people, like, same people every match. Just about.
Hey, Gilgamesh got a kill. What the hell?
Right?
Damn, he got 2 kills?
Gilgamesh, you fucking
He's probably
body. What
gonna.
the fuck?
Probably gonna kill me. I'm running after him.
Where was that last game?
Dude, I honestly, I feel like whenever one of these people like get on our team, it's like they all of a sudden start huffing paint thinner.
No way.
Oh my god,
Granny
Gilgamesh
tranny.
killed-
No way.
No,
Granny tranny.
Granny tranny killed,
Dude, I gotta figure out this bullet drop. How do you lay down?
Z.
Z.
Z? Okay.
Yeah,
cool,
you
cool.
lay down using Z. Alright, well, I tried.
Yeah,
Is an SGG not a fucking machine gun?
The STG is a machine gun.
you probably
Apparently
had
not.
it set. You probably had it set not to. If you press V, it changes the mode.
No, I wasn't. I was unloading on him. I was
No,
fully
I'm-
automatic.
That's just says get a kill with, or kill an enemy using machine gun.
Oh no, machine guns like
Machine
FG42,
guns, yeah.
MG42, like no
So
big
an
fucking guns.
SGG is not a machine. That's right.
Doses.
STG, no.